No, WhatsApp doesn't have a mention all feature, but this tutorial shows you alternatives to reach everyone. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, navigate to the group chat where you want to mention members. Following that, tap on the message input field at the bottom to start typing. Now, type the @ symbol to bring up the mention menu. Moving forward, you'll see a list of all group members appear on your screen. Afterwards, if you want to mention everyone, you'll have to individually select each member one by one. In addition to that, tap on each person's name from the list to add them to your message. Once you've mentioned all the members you need, type your message and tap send. Subsequently, this method can be time-consuming for large groups with many members. Moreover, there's a better alternative for important announcements. Afterwards, you can create a community announcement channel to post important information to everyone at once. Then, to do this, go to the Communities tab, create a community, and use the announcement channel to reach all members instantly. Within a community announcement channel, everyone receives notifications automatically without needing individual mentions. Alternatively, you can also pin important messages in the group chat. To pin a message, long press on your message, tap the 3 dots, and select Pin to keep it at the top for everyone to see. And that's it. If these WhatsApp group alternatives helped you communicate better, drop a like, subscribe for more messaging tips, and enable the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.